Hello guys, good morning. Welcome back to our YouTube channel Maths Tutorial by Divesa. So far we have finished lecture number 3 from the chapter number 4 determinant. In case you have missed those lectures, don't worry about it. Tap a screen. You'll get I button on the right side corner of your screen. Through this you can watch my previous videos. So in our previous class we have discussed about type 1 question. So today we are going to learn about type 2 question. So let's begin our class. Type 2. Evaluating determinants by using the properties of determinant and providing providing identity. So let's understand what it is. Question number 1, if delta 1 is equal to 1 1 1 x square y square z square x y z, and delta 2 is equal to 1 1 1 yz zx xy xyz. Without expanding, prove that delta 1 is equal to delta 2. So let's do it. First take delta 2 is equal to 1 1 1 yz zx xy xyz. So here multiply x on first column, multiply y on second column, multiply z on third column. So to make it easier, 1 by x y z, such that here also x y z, but multiply x here, multiply this x with first column, this y with second column, this z with third column. Remember that it is a trick. To multiply anything we have to divide that thing. Remember that. So we have already divided xyz, so it means here also xyz, but multiply that x with first column. You will get 1 into x, 1 into yz, that is xyz, 1 into x into x, that is x square. Now here also y, multiplied y with second column, that is y xz means xyz, y into y means y square. Here also z, multiply z with third column, you'll get z, you'll also get xyz and z square. Now take xyz as common, xyz from row number 2 divided by xyz, you'll get xyz 1 1 1 x square y square z square. This is cancel out. So now to make this determinant equals to this, uh, uh, interchange these two row by applying, that is r1 r12 r12 or r1 changes to r2. So it becomes, take minus common, if you interchange this row with this row, you have to take minus as common. It will become 1 1 1 x y z x square y square z square. But again interchange these two rows, again take minus common, minus minus plus, so this becomes 1, apply R23, it means R2 interchanges with R3. uh, First row remain as it is, and second row becomes x square y square z square. Third row changes to x y z, which is equal to delta 2. So we have successfully proved that delta 1 is equal to delta 2. So let's understand by second questions. Question number 2, if delta 1 is equal to a b c x y z p q r, and delta 2 is equal to q minus b y minus p a minus x r minus c z, without expanding delta 1 and delta 2, prove that delta 1 plus delta 2 is equal to 0. Let's take first delta 2, that is, this is q minus b y minus p a minus x r minus c z. If you check this row, you'll get this is minus, this is plus, this is minus. Now if you take minus common from second row, you'll get this is plus, this is minus, this is minus, this is plus. So take minus 1 as common from second row, minus common, so you'll get q minus b y, this becomes p minus a x, and r minus c z. Now take minus common from second column, it becomes plus, that is q b y p a x r c z. Now if you check, this is our ABC in row, this is our ABC in column, so apply Ri to Ci. Ri to Ci means row changes to column, so it becomes Q P R B A C Y X Z. To take a here, take minus sign and interchange it, that is C1 2 means C1 changes to C2, it will become P A X Q B Y R C Z. Now interchange row 1 2, put row 1 2 means row 1 changes to row 2. So again we have to take minus common, so minus minus plus, so it will become A B C P Q R X Y Z. Again this is not equal to delta 1, again we have to interchange row second with row third, again applying row R23 means it becomes R2 changes to R3, So we have to take minus as common. It becomes a, b, c, x, y, z, and p, q, r. So which is equal to minus delta 1. Now write the question, that is delta 1 plus delta 2. So in place of delta 2 we can write minus delta 1. So delta 2 delta 1 minus, in place of delta 2 we can write minus delta 1. After simplifying it will become 0. This is our final answer. Do So thanks for joining our class. Do like, share, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to have notification for my new videos. So keep watching and keep loving me. Thank you.